Windows 10 for PCs, 2-in-1s and tablets comes in 4 editions. We have another 3 editions for mobile and Internet of Things. We will see a comparison table between each edition of these 4 and what main features are missing from the Home and Pro editions. But before that, let's see how Windows editions have evolved in the last 3 versions of Windows. As we see, Windows 7 came in 6 different editions, each with less or more features than others. We had the Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, Pro, Ultimate, and Enterprise editions. Then Microsoft decided to cut down the number of editions, so we had only 4 editions for Windows 8.1, the RT edition, which is for OEM licenses, and the 8.1 edition. Sometimes they call it Core not to mix it with the OS name itself, which replaced 3 editions of Windows 7, the Starter, Home Basic, and Home Premium. And we also had the Pro and Enterprise editions. Note that these 2 editions are the only editions which continued in the 3 versions of Windows. In Windows 10, we have the Home edition back, Pro and Enterprise as usual, and we have this new education version that's designed for use in schools, colleges, and universities. And it will be available with Microsoft's academic volume licensing only. Now let's take a look at this official comparison table from Microsoft between the 4 editions. You will notice that most features are shared between the 4 editions, like this total section, the customizable start menu, Windows Defender, Firewall, fast startup with Hyperboot, TPM support, Perisaver and Windows Update, and the section of Cortana and the section of Windows Hello and multi-doing. These features are all shared between the 4 editions of Windows. Now if we scroll down more, we will see some differences coming between the editions and mainly about the domain join. As you see, the Home edition cannot be joined to a domain. It cannot be managed from a group policy, and no BitLocker is available there. No EMIE, Enterprise Mode Internet Explorer, and some other stuff. You can't even remote desktop to a Home edition. Let's take a look at the Pro edition. What's missing from there? We have the direct access, we have Windows to Go Creator, App Locker, Branch Cache. These are some features that big enterprises and companies use. And if you need any of them, you need to get an enterprise version of Windows. The Pro will not be sufficient. Let's scroll down, see more features like security. Microsoft Passport is the only feature available for Home edition under the security section. The Pro comes with extra enterprise data protection feature, and the Enterprise and Education, they have all these features. So what's the difference between the Enterprise and Education? Let's take a look. As we previously said, that the Education edition will be customized and designed to be used in schools, colleges, and universities. One minor difference between the Education and Enterprise is the easy upgrade from Pro to Enterprise edition. It will be missing for sure from the Education because you are going to upgrade to Enterprise. But if you want to upgrade from Home to Education, this feature will not be available for Pro for sure. Now to summarize what's best for you, if you want to use your machine in your home, the Home is perfect for you. If your device needs to be joined to an Active Directory domain controller in the office, you will have to get the Pro. And usually the Enterprise and Education, they are not bought directly from individuals, but big companies and enterprises and education institutions get them.